This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Arundhati Paul. As the number of COVID cases are on the rise again, we appeal to our listeners not to lower guard, follow all the precautions and all those above 45 years to get vaccinated without any hesitation. Stay safe and protected by following these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 2 gaz ki doori for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene, and now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has appealed to everyone to take the COVID-19 vaccine, sharing his thoughts in the Mann Ki Baat program of All India Radio yesterday. Mr. Modi said it's a matter of honor for everyone that today India is running the world's largest vaccination program. He said several people above 100 years of age have taken the jab, and the enthusiasm is visible in the elderly of the household regarding the vaccine. Mr. Modi said last year in March the country heard the term Janata Curfew for the first time. It was an unprecedented example of discipline, and generations to come will certainly feel proud at that. He said people expressed gratitude and respect for the corona warriors who have worked tirelessly and selflessly to ensure the safety of every citizen of our country. Second phase of polling on 39 assembly seats of Assam will be held on the 1st of April. These include 15 seats from Barak Valley. All parties have geared up campaigns. All India Radio Silchar correspondent reports that political parties are putting their all efforts to attract voters. There is straight fight between the ruling NDA and opposition Mahajot on all 15 seats of Barak Valley. Administration is also geared up to conduct free and fair elections with higher polling percentage. Several unique initiatives under SWEEP program like Rangoli making, boat race and kite festival in the theme of voter awareness have been organized in this regard. Jal Shakti Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat has approved 465 crore rupees as performance incentive fund for 7 states under Jal Jeevan Mission. These states are Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Sikkim, Gujarat and Himachal Pradesh. For performance incentive grants, the criteria include physical and financial progress under Jal Jeevan Mission, functionality of piped water supply schemes and capacity to utilize the fund. The Jal Jeevan Mission under the Union Ministry of Jal Shakti had sent a delegation of experts to help the states to plan better. The mission aims to provide all rural households with tap water connections by 2024 to improve quality of life and enhance ease of living of the country's people. A webinar on the issues and challenges in geological sciences was organized by the Department of Geology, NEHU, in collaboration with Shillong Chapter, Indian Science Congress Association, Kolkata. Speaking on the occasion, Professor Arun Kumar, Department of Earth Sciences, Manipur University, Imphal, highlighted the contribution of ISCA towards the dissemination and propagation of sciences in the country since its inception in 1914, wherein the eminent scientists thought to have such organization to help formulate policy and execution for betterment of science and technology. Every year, ISCA organizes Congress to appreciate and recognize the contribution of scientists and academicians. This year, theme of the Science Congress is Science and Technology for Sustainable Development with Women Empowerment, and invited the younger generation to participate and attain knowledge and networking. Holi, the festival of colors, is being celebrated throughout the country with great pomp and enthusiasm. The festival is celebrated in the month of March, which not only brings cheers to the people but also brings new lease of life to plants and animals. Holi marks the onset of spring season. Holi gives the message of equality and fraternity as all the sections of society, irrespective of caste, creed and color, celebrate it with great enthusiasm. In Meghalaya, admirers of Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore yesterday paid floral tribute to him at a simple program held at Brookside area in Rilbong, Shillong, amidst strict adherence of COVID-19 protocol. The program marked the beautiful tradition of celebrating Basant Utsav, the spring festival in Bengal, which was first started by poet Rabindranath Tagore at Vishwa Bharati, Shantiniketan. Admirers of Tagore expressed deep appreciation to Rabindranath Tagore for his universal love for humanity. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.